Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. This video is the continuation of model question paper analysis of GPSTR exam 2022 of maths and science subject. Already we have solved up to 58 questions. The link is given in the description box. Kindly check it out. The videos are available even in the playlist of our channel also. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of all the videos we upload here, mainly of maths and science concepts, which will be useful for your GPSTR exams, TET and Central TET also. On moving to the next question, this part we are going to discuss about 3 marks questions. Here there are 24 questions of 3 marks, okay, which will be from maths, physics, chemistry and biology questions. There are 24 questions, carries 3 marks, that is equal to 72 marks. 59th question, calculate the value of x. If 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 3 of 24 plus 3 of x, 3 to the power of x minus 1. So here when we look into this, there are powers of the base, here exponents form is given. So you can shift this 3 to the denominator, hence 3x plus 2 by 3 is equal to 24 plus 3 to the power of x minus 1. And this 3 to the power is 1. When you take this to the numerator, it becomes 3 to the power of minus 1. Again, on simplifying this, you can add them up. 3 to the power of x plus 2 already, this minus 1. Okay. So the same bases are same. We learned this concept in exponents, which is equal to 24. And this you can write as it is. On solving this, 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, 3 to the power of x plus 1, which is equal to 24 plus 3 to the power of x minus 1. And shift this 3 to the power of x minus 1 to the left hand side, we get this equation. And you can split this 3 to the power of x plus 1 as 3 to the power of x of 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of x into 3 to the power of minus 1. Actually, if you know to take it directly, you can take it, no problem. You can skip this step in the exam. In order to explain you, I have written this, okay. So 3 to the power of x is common in this two terms. We have taken it out, 3 to the power of x. Remaining is 3 to the power of 1, that is nothing but 3. And 3 to the power of minus 1. When you write 3 to the power of minus 1 as the ratio, 1 by 3 to the power of 1 we write, plus 1. It is nothing but 1 by 3 only, is equal to 24. Again taking LCM and solving this, LCM of the denominator here it is 1, here it is 3. 3 we get. On solving this, you know how to solve, we have made already enough videos based on this. So here we get the answer as 8 by 3. 3 to the power of x of 8 by 3 is equal to 24. On shifting this 8 by 3 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator as 3 to the power of x is equal to 24 by 8 by 3. On taking this to the numerator again, 8 by 3 becomes 3 by 8. On simplifying this, 8 ones are 8 threes are. We get 3 into 3. So 3 to the power of 2 we can write. Hence, we are equating the bases and the exponents will be equal. Therefore, x value is equal to 2. Okay. So actually you can do it in any method, the algebraical method, but provided that you must get the answer as 2. So let us keep the bases same and the exponents can be equated. That's why I have followed this method to find out x is equal to 2. Next, 60th question. Find the largest number which divides 546 and 764, leaving the remainders 6 and 8 respectively. So whenever you come across this largest number, to find the largest number, it is obviously HCF. Okay. Already there is a video in our playlist. Kindly check it out. The link is even given in the description box about HCF. Kindly check it out. We have already solved a similar kind of problem. So here there are two numbers are given and they leave the remainder 6 and 8 respectively. So we have to subtract 546 minus 6, which is equal to 540, and from this 764 minus 8, that gives us 756. Now we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Okay. Therefore the required number is HCF of 540 and 756. And you know there are 3 methods to find out HCF. I have chosen division method. In the description box already 3 methods also I have given. You can go for any easy method which you feel easy. Okay. So in division method you can choose the highest number among these two. 756 divide by 540. 1 540s are 540. Again on subtracting this we get 216. Carry this 540 to the next level. Again same way. 216s are 432. So remainder is 108. Again you carry this number to the next step. Again 4 108s are 432. Remainder is 0. Till we get the remainder we have to solve for it. Usually you will get the remainder HCF here is 0 only. Therefore the required largest number is here whatever the answer you have. This point, okay. 108. This is the answer. 108 is the required number. Next one, an isosceles triangle has perimeter of 30 cm and each of equal sides is 12 cm. Calculate the area of the triangle. In general, to calculate the area of triangle, area is equal to half into base into height. If height is given or the base value is given. But here they have given about the perimeter. Whenever you come across perimeter, we can go to Heron's formula. That will be easy. So there are other methods also to calculate. But this will be the easy. You can draw the bisector and find out this. That also you can go. I have solved in this Heron's method. So let the considerations be. Let ABC is the isosceles triangle. They have given two equal sides of 12 cm. We have considered AB is equal to 12 cm and AC is equal to 12 cm. These are the two isosceles sides. And perimeter of triangle ABC, which is equal to 30 cm. That is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 30 cm. So on substituting these values here, 12 AB value and AC value is also 12. We can find out the BC value, that is 6 cm. Okay, why we need this BC value is, in this following formula we have to substitute for the required sides value. If this is A value, B value and C value respectively we take. A is 12 cm, B value we can take this as 6 cm and C value is 12. And we need to find out S, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is 12 plus 6 plus 12 by 2 is equal to 15 cm. Or we know this value is already perimeter. They have given A plus B plus C value directly 30. 30 by 2 you can do in order to save time. Okay, you don't need to write all this. S is equal to 30 by 2. You can directly write this and write 15 cm. And area of the triangle formula is square root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we shall substitute these values of A, B, C and S value respectively to the formula. On substituting the values, we get like this. See, you can simplify it. 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 6, 9. 15 minus 12 is again 3. So multiply this. You get the answer as 15 into 81. So here only you can simplify. This step is actually no need. In order to show you, I have written. So you know the value of square root of 81. That is 9. You can take out 9 and write 15 as it is. You don't need to simplify further. Okay. So A is equal to 9 root 15 centimeter square is the answer. Therefore, area of the given isosceles triangle is 9 root of 15 centimeter square. So as I told you, the other method to calculate is also perpendicular to the base using the formula A is equal to half into base into height you can, and later you can use the Pythagoras theorem and apply. You can work out in this formula. If you get the answer, kindly comment in the comment box. Next question. This question is from statistic. We can always expect a 3 marks question from this statistic part. 62. Find the median of the following frequency distribution. Class interval is given, frequency is given. So we can write like this horizontal way. Class interval, frequency. Whenever we come across median, we have to deal with cumulative frequency. First thing we have to write. So class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10 we have to follow, and then frequency value. Add all the frequency value, you will get n. N is equal to 100 we are getting. And how to find the cumulative frequency? 7 you carry here only as it is. Then 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 plus 17, 34. 34 plus 13, 47. Adding up this with 20, 67. 67 plus 10, 77. Carry with 14 plus 91. 91 plus 9 is 100. This n must be equal to here, this 100, last number. Then you can make sure that your calculation of this part is correct. Then actually the n is even number. It's quite difficult to calculate with the formula which I have already told you to calculate in the previous video. If n is even odd number, n is odd number, you can already use the formula, and the link is given already in the description box. Kindly check it out. We have already solved enough based on that. You can draw the Ogive curve, which will be easy. So if n is even, you can also go for the formula method to calculate the median. So let us check out that formula method if n is equal to even. Okay. First we have to find out n by 2 in order to proceed. The first step in this to find the median in case of this group distribution, n by 2. What is n by 2? 100. N is 100, by 2 is 50. This 50 is our reference now. Based on this 50, we have to choose the required column. Okay. So we have to check in cumulative frequency column where this 50 lies, between which numbers. Between 47 and 67, this 50 lies, right? And we have to choose the highest number column. This is called as required data group. Okay. This median group, we can call it is this full group. Shade this part. After this, we have to select all these values. That is L value. L value is here. In this class interval, the first starting initial point, that is 20, is L value. Then H is this height, 20 to 25. What is the difference? 25 minus 20 is 5, right? That is H. And F, frequency, of course, in the frequency column, you will get frequency. F is 20. Only with cumulative frequency, we have to jump to the next one. That is above this cumulative frequency. Usually in a hurry we take this, but don't do that mistake. We have to go for the next previous one. Okay, that's why I have marked here. 47 is the cumulative frequency we have to consider. And the formula to calculate median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, so here we come across all the signs: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, just remember in this order: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. L and n by 2. First you start with this L larger, then n by 2, then CF, H and F. You remember the order by heart, the formula. And substitute the required values here. Already we know L is 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 directly you can substitute. Don't substitute as the n by 2. Directly n by 2 value you can substitute, that is 50 minus CF, cumulative frequency is 47 here. So 47 into height is 5 divided by 20. 20 is F value, this frequency. Then subtract 50 minus 47 is 3 into 5 by 20 remaining. On solving this, we get 5 ones are 5 fours are, so 3 by 4. 20 plus 3 by 4. You can either solve this 3 by 4, that will be easy. Instead of taking LCM and going, you can solve this small number, no? Therefore, on solving 3 by 4, we get 0.75. Adding with this 20, 20.75 is the median. Okay. So, remember, in case of median, cumulative frequency, obviously we have to calculate. If n is odd number, you can go for Ogive curve. That will be easy according to me. But if you feel the same method to find out the value, fine. Otherwise, if n is even number, you can use the formula and calculate. We shall now move to the next question, 63. The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than its numerator. If the sum of the fraction and its reciprocal is 2 4 by 15, find the fraction. So, algebraical expression we have to form. Just follow what is given in the question. Okay, the denominator of a fraction is 2 more than its numerator. So, let the numerator be x. If you take as x, denominator is 2 more than its numerator. So, x plus 2. And if the sum of the fraction, if this fraction and its reciprocal, what is the reciprocal of this? X by x plus 2 becomes x plus 2 by x. Reciprocal of this sum is equal to 2 4 by 15. First thing, if you frame this question or frame this equation properly, then almost half of the sum is over alike. Okay. Then we got this. You can take this denominator, you can take the LCM and solve this. I have chosen this method to follow. Different methods, if you know by any other method of solving this, you can go ahead. Shifting this again on solving this mixed fraction into improper fraction, 15 into 2 plus 4, that is 34 by 15. Taking LCM of this to x into x plus 2 and solving x into x is x square plus x plus 2 into x plus 2. Next step, we have to multiply this. X into x is x square. This x square is same. Again x into 2x is 2x plus 2 into x is 2x plus 2 2s are 4 divided by x into x is x square plus 2 into x is 2x, which is equal to 34 by 15. We have to just solve this till we get a single equation. That's it. Okay. So you can either skip 1 or 2 steps if you know directly to calculate. If you know to take the common factor among this directly, you can take it out. Okay. You can skip this step. So here x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 4. Denominator and the remaining as it is. Here common factor is 2, so I have taken it out. We get x square plus 2x plus 2 because 2 is taken as common. Remaining you will write as it is. Then this 2 will go to the denominator of along with this 15. Hence we get this equation and solve. 2 1s are 2 17s are 34. Then you can check out this. You will get actually x square plus 2x by x square plus 2x you get. So when you directly, if you know to solve, you will arrive at this step, but I am showing it again by how multiplying. 15 into x square is 15x square, 15 into 2x is 30x, 15 into 2 is 30. Again cross multiply with this 17, 17 into x square plus 17 into 2x, that is 34. We arrive at this line. Then you can take 17x square minus 15x square, that is 2x square. 34x minus 30x is 4x. 30 you shift to the other side becomes minus 30 is equal to 0. Again this further equation, either you can use quadratic equation formula to find the x value, or you can do factorization. Further you can simplify this equation. You see 2 is common, so 2 is taken out. X square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. We got simplest form of this equation. Okay. Wherever the possibilities of simplifying, we can do this. Otherwise, you take this two number to factorize is quite difficult with a higher number. Hence, we get this final equation x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. And later, you know how to solve it by factorizing it. We have already solved in the previous videos. Kindly check it out. So 1 into minus 15 is minus 15. We get the factors as plus 5 and minus 3. Hence, we substitute for this equation x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. And among these two common is x. So x plus 5 is remaining. Among this minus 3 is common. So x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is equal to x is equal to minus 5 or x is equal to plus 3. Actually the required fraction, there are two numbers we got. If you just choose the positive value, x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, check with this numerator. Adding two numbers, do we get 3 by 5? Yes. So 3 by 5 and reciprocal of this number is 5 by 3. Adding this 3 by 5 plus 5 by 3, we get 34 by 15. So the required fraction is 3 by 5. Okay. Next question. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle y is equal to 30 degree, z is equal to 90 degree and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11 centimeter. That is perimeter of the triangle is given. In general, it will be given a side, the length of one side and two angles will be given. We can draw a triangle easily. But here if perimeter of the triangle is given, how to draw the triangle? Let us check it now. I have just tried to draw in different pages for different procedures followed. Kindly follow the construction procedure. The rough diagram, the triangle we have to draw is x, z, y. At angle z is equal to 90 degree, y is equal to 30 degree. So rough diagram. First, we have to draw a baseline length which is equal to perimeter of the triangle. that is 11 centimeters given. Let us take this is zy and the baseline will be z dash y dash. So first we have to draw a line which is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, so this base z dash y dash is equal to 11 centimeter, and using the protractor we need to mark the angles 90 degree and 30 degree. So this angle is 90 degree here, and then here using protractor you can mark 30 degree angle, 0, 10, 20, 30 degree you can mark. Draw the lines, mark the base angle, draw the lines, z dash is equal to 90 degree and y dash is equal to 30 degree using protractor. So this is the first two steps. Next we have to draw angle bisectors for the base angle, that is for x dash and y dash. This angle has to be bisected. Okay, so how to do that? You can take the compass and here draw an arc. So from this arc you have to cut an arc here, and from this point you have to cut an arc, then join this line, extend line. Same way the other side also we have to do. Take the compass and then we have to cut an arc here. From this point cut an arc, from this point cut an arc. So these two lines you will join. Where these two lines intersect, the point of intersection of the angles bisector lines is the vertex 1. So this is the vertex of the given triangle. Okay, x, that is the point x. Cleared? It's easy only. Next we have drawn the baseline 90 degree, 30 degree, angle bisectors, vertex up to here we have drawn. Next the lines x z dash, x y dash, we have to draw perpendicular bisector of lines. So if any straight line, if it is a straight line, you know how to draw bisector. Take more than half, draw two arcs to cut this line. So this line, if you choose x y dash line for the straight line bisector, from here from the compass take more than half, cut an arc here, cut an arc, from this point cut an arc. So where these two intersect, draw a straight line. So this line will intersect on the baseline. Same way bisect the line x and z dash, which you know here this black line is a bisector line. So where this final bisector lines of the imaginary lines here, these 2 points are x, z and y points. Okay, you see here this thick black line cuts this red line here at this base, and this black line cuts here. So these are the points, and mark these points, join x and z, x and y. This forms a triangle, right angle triangle with 90 degree at point z, y 30 degree mark, and this is x. And measure the sides if you want to ensure that whether the drawn construction is correct. xy is equal to 4.5 centimeter xy value, and yz is 4 centimeter, xz is 2.5, and adding them we get 11 centimeter as the perimeter. So this is how to construct if perimeter of the triangle is given and with two angles. Next question, this is easiest question. Divide 3x cube minus 8x plus 5 by x minus 1 and find the quotient and remainder. Okay, we have to just divide, follow the division method. But in order to avoid confusions, check it out whether these are in descending order. The parts x cube, then should be x square, then x, then the number. It should be an order. If any number is missing, please add 0 and write the values. Either x is given the unknown term or whatever the number is given here, you can write. So I have written here like this: 3x cube plus 0x square minus 8x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. And we have to check for the first element here, the number 3x square if you write. So 3x square into x is 3x cube. Hence you can cancel. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 3x square is minus 3x square. Change the sign, cancel this. And here we have changed the sign. This becomes plus 3x square. Plus 3x square plus 0x square is plus 3x square only. You can carry forward. Write this two term as it is, carry to the next line. Next, you have to choose a number so that you will get the first number here, whatever the factor you have. So plus 3x. 3x into x is 3x square. So plus. Then plus into minus is minus. 3x into 1 is 3x. Change the sign. Here plus become minus, minus become plus. This two get cancelled. Here we have minus 8x plus 3x. On solving this, we get minus 5x. Carry this 5 down as it is plus 5. And next we have to get minus 5x. So minus 5 if you take, minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Minus into minus is plus, 5 ones are 5. On changing the sign, here minus become plus, plus become minus. Both get cancelled. We get the remainder as 0. Sometime you may get some remainder, no problem. They've asked to calculate the remainder and the quotient. So the remainder is 0. The quotient is 3x square plus 3x minus 5. This is the quotient. Actually, without writing the 0x square also you can do. But if you write this, this will avoid confusions. Okay. We shall move to the next question, 66. Point C, minus 1, 2 divides internally the line segment joining the points A of 2, 5 and B of x, y in the ratio 3:4. Find the value of x square plus y square. So whenever we come across this point which is dividing, which is bisecting, so that is obviously midpoint formula. So draw the reference line segment. There are 2 points. Point A is taken as 2, 5 here, and point B as x, y. They only have given in the question x, y. And point C divides this 2 internally. So C is minus 1, 2. In the ratio 3:4. Whatever the ratio is given, those values are as m1 and m2 value. And according to the formula, if you imagine A is A of x1, y1, here x2, y2, this midpoint point of x, y. Don't get confused with this x, y and x, y here. This is the reference point according to the formula. Okay. And 3:4, this is m1, m2 value. We know the midpoint formula, and for this ratio of 3:4, for if it is in this ratio 3:4, we write like this. X is equal to, for this point x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Next for y value, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. And we know the value. x1 value is 2, y1 is 5. And x value is minus 1, y value is 2. x2 is x, y2 is y. Substitute the respective values, okay. Be little patience to substitute, because this chota numbers may have minus sign. Don't get confused. X is minus 1 and m1 is 3 of x. m2 is 4, x1 is 2. Divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 by 3 plus 4. That is common here, no problem. Next, m1 into y2. m1 is 3, y2 is y, plus m2. m2 is 4 of y1 is 5, divided by 3 by 4. Okay, I am just explaining you simultaneously. Therefore, on solving this, 3 into x is 3x plus 4 2s are 8, divided by 3 plus 4 is 7. This side, 3 into y is 3y plus 4 5s are 20, divided by 3 plus 4 is 7. On solving this alone, we get cross multiply 7 into minus 1 is minus 7, 3x plus 8 is equal to minus 7. Get the value of x. Okay, 3x is equal to, shift this 8 the other side, minus 7 minus 8, which is equal to minus 15. Therefore, x is equal to minus 15 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are. Therefore, x value is minus 5. On moving to this side, y value, here 7 2s are 14, 3y plus 20. 3y is equal to 14 minus 20. Shift this 20 other side, becomes minus 20. 3y is equal to 20 minus 14 is 6. Greater number sign is minus, so minus 6. Therefore, y is equal to minus 6 by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. And we need to calculate the value of x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to, x value is minus 5 whole square plus y is minus 2 whole square. Minus 5 into minus 5 is 25, plus minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, which is equal to 29. So this is the required answer. Next question is based on simultaneous equations. 2 tables and 3 chairs cost rupees 4,000, whereas 3 tables and 2 chairs together cost rupees 5,000. Find the cost of each table and chair. Let the value of table be x. Let the chair be y. So, just follow the question using the given, frame the equation. 2 tables and 3 chairs. So, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4,000. And 2 chairs, so 3 tables, that is 3x, and 2 chairs, 2y is equal to 5,000. Find the cost of each table and chair, that is x and y value we need to find out. Therefore, the simultaneous equation we got, if the x values are same, means we could have directly, you can just either added the equation or subtracted the equation, calculated. If these are unequal, we have to multiply this. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and multiply the equation 2 by 2. So, multiplying with 3, 3 2s are 6, again 3 3s are 9, 9y you will get is equal to 3 4s are 12, so 12,000. Next equation we have to multiply by 2. So, 2 3s are again 6x we get here, 2 2s are 4, again 2 5s are 10, so 10,000. On solving, subtracting this equation, 6x minus 6x get cancelled. Here 9y minus 4y. On solving this 5y, 12,000 minus 10,000 gives us 2,000. Therefore, y is equal to 400. Means y is equal to 2,000 by 5. That I have not shown here. Y is equal to 400. Substitute this equation of y in equation. Any equation you can carry. Either 1 or either equation 2. Substituting the value of y in equation 1, we get 2x plus 3 of 400 is equal to 4,000. 2x has it as plus 3 4s are 12. So 1,200 take to the other side. And 4,000 minus 1,200 is 2,800. 2x is equal to 2,800. X is equal to 2,800 divided by 2, which is equal to 1,400. This x value is table value. Therefore, cost of each table is rupees 1,400. And y value is chair value. Therefore, cost of each chair y is equal to rupees 400. Okay. So, this is the required answer. So, here simultaneous equations are very easy. Don't get panic when you look at this question. Okay. Try to frame the required equation. Then you can further proceed. We shall move to the next question. 2 poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter are vertically on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So in mathematics, any question is given, try to frame the rough diagram or try to write the given, then you will be able to proceed further. So here something about distance, okay. So 2 poles of height 6 meter. One pole is 6 meter, another pole is 11 meter. Total height is 11 meter, is vertically on the plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter. So, if I take this first pole is BD, second pole is AE, distance between them is DE, which is equal to 12 meter. We have to find the distance between their top, that is this point A and B. We have to find out AB value. So, after drawing the rough diagram, let us check out with this. If BD is equal to CE, we know this rectangular form. Therefore, CE value also will be equal to 6 meter. Then AE is 11 meter. What will be AC? 11 minus 6. If you subtract this, you will get AC value. Therefore, those values of given I have written here. BD. BD is 6 meter. That is equal to CE. First point over. Then AE value. AE is 11 meter and DE value is 12 meter. DE is equal to nothing but BC. Then we get a right angle triangle to find this value. From the right angle triangle ACB, Pythagoras theorem we can apply. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Substitute the required values here. We know BC value and AC value. BC is 12. So 12 square plus 5 whole square. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. Total is 169. Therefore, AB is equal to square root of 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Therefore, AB is equal to 13 meter. So, this is the distance between the tops. Therefore, the distance between the pole's top is 13 meter. Write the answer with the unit. Okay. Next question 69. The angle of elevation of the top of a cliff as seen from the top and bottom of a building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. If the height of the building is 24 meter, find the height of the cliff. So already same type of problem I think we have already solved in the previous videos, which is based on this height and distance. Kindly check it out. So we shall draw the rough diagram, the angle of elevation. So heights and distance only obviously of the top of a cliff as seen from the top and bottom of the building. Imagine there is a building. A person is standing on the top of the building and looking at a point cliff. So the angle of elevation is 45 degree and he is standing at the bottom of the building, that is here at this point D. Then the angle of elevation is 60 degree respectively. I have explained already the angle of elevation and all in the previous video. Kindly check the description box. If the height of the building is 24 meter, the height only building this much is 24 meter. BC is 24 meter. Find the height of the cliff. This cliff BA we have to find out. Let the height of the cliff be X. Okay, this height we have to find out. Therefore, let us write down the given values. The angle of elevation are 45 and 60 degree. Height of the building is 24 meter. Therefore, height of the cliff is equal to question mark. We have got the triangles here. From the first triangle ABE, we know 45 degree is the reference angle, and then tan 45, tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base value. Since this base is y value, CD you can take this as y, which is unknown. Since this is x, this is y. CD is equal to BE. So BE also will be y. Tan 45 is equal to x by y. Tan 45 value is 1, which is equal to x by y. Cross multiply, x is equal to y. Here both are unknown terms. Let it be, no problem. Keep as it is. Then move to the next second triangle. Triangle ACD. So this is also right angle triangle. So here tan 60 is equal to perpendicular AC by CD, that is base. What is tan 60 root 3? AC value is x plus 24. Substitute that. And CD value is y. We have written here. Then cross multiply with this y into root 3 is root 3 into y is equal to x plus 24. But we know that x value is equal to y. So substitute that value. Root 3 of x is equal to x plus 24. Shift this x to the next side, left hand side. Root 3x minus x is equal to 24. X is common, take out root 3 minus 1, which is equal to 24. I want only x value, 24 divided by root 3 minus 1. Substitute the value of root 3. Root 3 value is 1.73 minus 1. On solving this, you get x is equal to 23.27 meter. Therefore, the height of the cliff, that is x value is nothing but 23.27 meter. At least keep the answer in 2 decimal places with proper unit. And moving to the next question. Here is a question which is of mixed about solids, curved surface area of solid. A right circular cone is mounted on a cylinder of base radius 14 meter. Height of the cylinder is 3 meter and that of cone is 10.5 meter. Calculate the curved surface area of solid and the cost of painting at rupees 20 per square meter. So, let us draw the rough sketch. A right circular cone is mounted on a cylinder. Here there is a cylinder and a right circular cone is mounted. And the radius of the base of cylinder is 14 meter. This radius is 14 meter. Height of the cylinder is 3 meter. This height of the cylinder is 3 meter. And that of cone is 10.5 meter. They did not give slant height. They mentioned this height only. So h is equal to 10.5 meter. Calculate the curved surface area of the solid. This full surface area we have to calculate. And the cost of painting, if we need to paint The cost of painting is at rupees 20 per square meter. Let us find out this surface area, curved surface area first. To calculate the curved surface area of both, we need to calculate CSA of cone and CSA of cylinder first. So using the required given, R of cylinder is 14 meter, R of cylinder is equal to R of cone. This radius of the cylinder is nothing but the radius of the cone because the cone is just placed above this. Okay. And therefore, R of cone is equal to R of cylinder, which is equal to 14 meter. H of cylinder is 3 meter and H of cone is 10.5 meter. And you can look here, drawing perpendicular from this point A. So A, B, C, we get a right angle triangle. Since this radius is 14 centimeter, BC is the radius on this top also. Therefore, BC is also 14 centimeter. So 14 meter. Okay, so here the slant height we need to find out. AB value is nothing but height of the cone. So we have separately drawn here. We get a triangle ABC, right angle triangle. AB value is 10.5 meter. BC is 14 meter. L we need to find out. Use the Pythagoras theorem. We can find out L square is equal to AB square, that is 10.5 whole square, plus BC square, 14 square. Multiplying 10.5 into 10.5, we get this. 14 into 14 is, we get 196. And then adding them up, we get 306.25. Therefore, L is equal to, this is L square. L is equal to square root of this value. Square root of this value is 17.5 meter. Therefore, the required curved surface area of the solid is curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. We know the formula to calculate CSA of cone, pi r L, slant height, and 2 pi r into h for the cylinder. Pi r is common in both, take out pi r, L plus 2h. Substitute the value 22 by 7 into r is 14, r of this 14 is same. So we have taken as common factor. If it is separate, we have to substitute the separate values only. And L value is 17.5. Just now we have calculated substitute, and H is 3. 2 into 3 value. On solving this, we can solve 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2, we get 44 here. Into this value, we add up 2 3s are 6. Plus this, simplifying this, we get the answer 1034 meters square. This is the CSA of the solid. Now we have to find out the cost of painting per square meter. So multiply how much rupees is 20 rupee per square meter. For 1034 square meters, we have to multiply with this 1034 into rupees 20 gives us 2680. So this is the required answer. So with this, we have covered all the maths parts in the model question paper of GPSC exam 2022. The remaining questions are of science part, and most of the questions are repeated questions from the concepts which we have already discussed in the previous videos. Kindly check the description box for those related videos and you will get the direct answers from the part which we have taught. And few questions of chemistry part which we have not handled is also there. So kindly take the more references and you can find out the answers. Okay, so from my side, how much ever I can help you out for this GPSC exam, I have done. So if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. All the best for your exams. Do well.